even if you're working in IT industry as a full-time working professional, or in any industry, either you are into the IT or pharmaceuticals or any role it could be, and if you are planning to start a profitable coaching business, then don't start coaching until you watch this, because most of the new freshers who wants to start a coaching business, I'm not talking about the fresher employees, I'm talking about whoever wants to start a coaching business, but they are completely beginner into this industry, or let's say if they have some kind of experience but they want to start it anyhow with a profitable thing. And if you are someone who don't know, or if you are not aware about these 4 to 5 things, it is so hard to get into this industry and make it profitable, where you can earn 3 to 5 lakhs per month in the next 90 days or less than that as well. So the very first thing when it comes to starting a coaching business is, coaching is not motivation speaking. If you are planning or if you are thinking, see, I'll start a coaching business, and if it is giving you some kind of motivation, that is fine, but it is not just a motivational kind of speaking, but rather it is a structured transformation. Now when I say this is nothing but, let's say if you want to get into this industry, if you want to start a profitable coaching business, and if you want to become a career coach, fitness coach, and if you have any skills that you want to monetize, then the only thing that you can sell your high ticket coaching programs through the transformation that you will give to your clients. If you are planning to start a coaching business, and if you are thinking, I have 3 months of coaching program, or I have this much of a curriculums, I'll start earning money, blah blah blah, I'm talking about the high ticket client. Because if you want to start and if you want to earn a good amount of money in this industry, more than your job, then sticking to a low ticket program or a coaching business will not actually work, because the amount of traffic, the amount of clientele that you will be needing, it's like huge, too huge. And that's why I always focus more on the high ticket coaching program. That's why you work with few clients but charge high ticket and the premium amount. And definitely if you have a good transformation rather than just a motivation, you can literally earn lakhs of rupees and crores of rupees just using this tactic, correct? So never ever think if you are jumping into this industry, then it is only about motivation. You have to give some kind of motivation to your clients or the prospects, or even if you have some kind of motivation, okay, I'll get into this industry and something great will happen. Definitely it will happen. But if you are giving some kind of motivation, okay, buy my courses, buy my stuff, something like that, it is not going to work. At the end, it is all about the transformation and the outcome that you are providing to your client, so that you can charge high ticket amount and the premium coaching business. That's how it will grow. Now the next thing is kind of a myth belief or a false belief. Most of the coaching business owners, or if you are someone who wants to start it, then you might also have this confusion, is nothing but you don't need 1 lakh followers, you just need to have the 10 buyers, correct? If you are thinking, okay, now I want to get into this online kind of stuff, most of the people are just getting into this online industry, and absolutely fine, online is great if you are following the right strategy. But if you are thinking, now I want to start a coaching business, then I will definitely need lakhs of thousands of followers onto my social media platforms like Instagram, LinkedIn or YouTube for that matter. Absolutely wrong, क्योंकि ये सारी चीजें matter नहीं करती if you are coming as an online thing या फिर expert thing, correct? The only thing matters is your ideal client and the buyer, or basically the prospect who will come to you and buy your coaching program. Because let's say if you want to hit 3 to 5 lakhs per month coaching program or a coaching business, correct? Minimum I'm talking about. Even if you want to, let's take a bare minimum example, 3 lakh per month. That means you don't need to like have 300, 400 clients, and that's why, see, it is all about the maths again, because business is all about the mathematics and the numbers. Let's say if you want to hit a 3 lakh per month, then if you are going with a low ticket program or something like that, you will literally need something 50, 60, or I would say 60 clients per month to hit that 3 lakh per month benchmark, correct? Because even if you are going 5,000 product, that 5 into 60 is nothing but 3 lakh, correct? And it is too hard to get this much amount of clientele per month I'm talking about and hit that goal income. That's why when you go high ticket, then you only need few clients. Now the reason only I can say 10 clients, right? For let's say even if you are charging 30,000, then you only need 10 clients. Or if you are charging let's say 50 clients, then you only need 6 clients to hit that benchmark. And it is too easy or I would say not that much hard to get only 5 to 6 client per month with the high ticket coaching thing. And that's why it is all comes under the high ticket coaching business and the transformation and the right offer creation. And if you don't know how to create the right high ticket offer so that you can charge premium amount, I already have created that video. You can just go and check this video, just go and watch the entire, so that you will get to know how to create the right offer that can sell or that can attract the premium clients. Now back to this video. That's why don't ever or never ever focus more on the huge followings. You will, if you're thinking I'm getting into the industry then I'll have thousands lakhs of followers, not necessary. Even if you have 150 or 200, 300 followers, 500, anything, it could be that number, anything. Even if you have a social media profile on Instagram and LinkedIn, or let's say YouTube, Instagram is good to go, correct? Then also you can literally charge this much amount of money and hit your income goals. So focus more on the buyers and the clients, or I would say the targeted audience or the targeted fans, I would say, rather than just the numbers like the vanity metrics. Now moving ahead, the next important thing is when you start a coaching business, then clarity is more important than the confidence, because confidence comes after the paid validation. See, you want to start a coaching business, that's fine. That means you have a clarity. But if you don't, or let's say if you don't even know what kind of coaching business or the transformation that you are going to provide to your future clients or the prospects, you cannot sell your coaching business, you cannot charge that much amount of money, and then eventually you will not get that confidence ki okay, this is the program that I have and I can literally charge high ticket amount. इसलिए clarity सबसे important है, even confidence से भी ज़्यादा. When you have a clarity, you can launch your business, and after launching that you will get the first few clients, you will attract the ideal prospects, and you will get the paid clients who will pay you some amount of money. I don't say some, but yes, high ticket amount. And then you will get the confidence once you have the paid validation about your offer into the industry. That's why always and always have that clarity. Okay, I have this much of program, I want to sell this outcome to my target audience, and definitely this will actually help that prospect to get the outcome, and I can definitely charge high ticket amount. And even 1 to 2 people are buying your services, that means you will have that confidence. Okay यार, ये ऑफर चल रही है, लोग मेरा प्रोग्राम ले रहे हैं, कोचिंग बिजनेस या फिर कोचिंग प्रोग्राम ले रहे हैं, दैट मीन्स इट इज वर्किंग, एंड यू विल हैव दैट मच ऑफ कॉन्फिडेंस. ओके, आई कैन सेल मोर नाउ. सो ऑलवेज एंड ऑलवेज focus more on the clarity rather than just some other tactics. And now moving ahead, the most important part in sabhi se bhi is the niche part. If you are overthinking about your niche and everything, you are doing the wrong thing. See, if you are going into the industry, if you are starting a coaching business, obviously this would be the first question, that what should be my niche, correct, or the category or the market, and it is absolutely fine. But just remember one thing, your niche is a factor. Okay, it is the first factor, absolutely fine. बट जब आप एक नीश के ऊपर काम कर रहे होगे, मार्केट विल डिसाइड कि व्हाट दे वांट, करेक्ट. लेट्स से इफ यू हैव अ नीश ऑफ करियर कोचिंग, करेक्ट, गॉट इट, फाइन, दैट्स एब्सोल्युटली ग्रेट. बट लेट्स से इफ यू हैव क्रिएटेड योर फर्स्ट ऑफर, ऑब्वियसली जब आप अपना कोचिंग बिजनेस लॉन्च करोगे या फिर वो ऑफर वैलिडेट करने के लिए वो ऑफर लॉन्च करोगे विद दैट सेम नीश दैट यू वांट टू गो फॉर, आफ्टर अ पर्टिकुलर क्लाइंट, जब आप डिस्कवरी कॉल्स लोगे, सम अमाउंट ऑफ मनी या फिर सम अमाउंट ऑफ कॉल्स लोगे, आप डेफिनेटली यू विल ट्राई टू स्पीक विद द प्रॉस्पेक्ट्स, यू विल गेट टू नो व्हाट काइंड ऑफ प्रॉब्लम्स दे आर एक्चुअली फेसिंग अपार्ट फ्रॉम द ऑफर दैट आई हैव क्रिएटेड so far, and then you can retweak that offer, then you can make some changes, and then create the right amount of offer, the ideal offer that everyone is looking for. And that's how you try to change your offer slowly and steadily. That's what market is looking for, या फिर आपका जो टारगेट ऑडियंस है उनको भी यही चाहिए. That's what, don't ever focus more on कि यार अगर मैंने एक ऑफर क्रिएट की है, then that offer or the niche is completely towards the end, or this would be the niche or the offer would be till the end, correct? That's not going to happen. Niche can be one, बट नीश के अंदर भी बहुत सारी चीजें आती है. ऑफर है, एक माइक्रो नीश होता है, मैक्रो नीश होता है. व्हाट काइंड ऑफ नीश यू वांट टू डिसाइड, इट्स नॉट अ लाइक it's just a niche is a higher umbrella. But अगर आपको high ticket जाना है तो you have to go deep down, and that's why it is not fixed. You have to find out your correct niche and everything so that you can charge high ticket amount. Moving ahead, the next thing is whenever you launch a coaching business, then always and always keep the time frame, or let's say even if you want to start from scratch, have that time period, I would say, for a 90 days, because it's a sweet spot. Now let's say I'll just give you the simple math, or just a 90 days thing. Let's say if you are giving that time frame, या फिर अगर आप सोच रहे हो okay, this is for the 90 days, Then your first 30 days would be for the testing and the next 60 days would be for the scaling. Now this might differ because it is completely up to the offer or the niche and the industry that you are currently in, but 90 days is the best sweet spot, I would say, because in the first 30 days you can just create your niche, you can decide your niche, then you can create your own high ticket offer and some other extra stuff. In the second month you can work on your entirely about the positioning, the marketing, entirely about the messaging part, how you want to portray your message to the right amount of audience. It also comes under the target audience, the positioning, messaging, and a lot of things. And the third month would be for the launching and scaling and getting that clients and start getting that cash into your bank account. That's why 90 days is the sweet spot. But if you have good time, you can give your 100% or even 50% to the coaching business, then you can do it and stretch, rather than stretching it to the 90 days, you can literally do it in the next 30 days also, and that's for sure, correct, with the right roadmap and the guidance. So this is how you can literally start. But if you want to start, you don't have to start it unless and until you keep all the things that I told you in mind, and I thought I should tell you. And if you found this video helpful, then just hit that like button so that it will actually motivate me to create much more videos. And if you have any doubt, या फिर अगर आपको लगता है कि if you want some more videos on some different topics, just let me know into the comment section. And if you haven't subscribed yet, just hit that red color subscribe button and also a bell icon, because it will actually help you to get the notification whenever I'll post a new video. Okay, cool. So thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.